You know, guys, we put pedal commanders in a lot of gasoline engines, vehicles, and I never even thought about an EV. But after spending some time in this Tesla, absolutely needs it. There's this lag in the pedal, just not fun to drive. So Pedal Commander pretty much connects your pedal to your computer and changes the rate at which you can deliver that power, right? It takes the lag out, brings that performance that's already there out. You can put it in eco mode, city mode, sport mode, 36 different options, and they have a subscription service for an anti-theft device. You can control it with your phone, so basically you can turn this into a dead pedal. Somebody tries to steal your car, forget it, it's going nowhere. All right, let's plug this thing in. Super easy, totally reversible, no issues with warranty, and have some more fun with our vehicles. Man, I can feel it from here. Dude, the response on that pedal is so much better than it was.
It is night and day, and let me tell you, it's shocking how quick that torque comes on now. I mean, like you just move that pedal like this much, and it's like, phew.
It's awesome because you can just set it to anywhere you like.
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
Dude, you can go either way on this thing.
It's flying. Look, if you have a Tesla, get one of these pedal commanders. You'll love it.